Sir Salmon spent his first night in the Kittatorium. We're going to see if he survived the experience. Apparently, the inmates are getting restless because it's time for breakfast. All right, let's go in and see what happened. But you survived! But you're more concerned about having breakfast than you were about anything else. Why don't we just eat? It's not too bad. Look, it's not really destroyed. The floor's not too messy. Good morning. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Then we like to play peekaboo. All right, let's go over here. Hi. Okay. All right. Now we're on the side. Oh, so cute. Okay, now we're going to go on this side. All right, now we're going to go on this side. Hi. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to go on this side. Oh my gosh, everybody's so cute. Okay, what flavor do we want this morning? We're going to go get some. Wait, yeah, this is our. Hi, yes, you spent the night. You're like the official boyfriend now. Okay. Hi, Professor Midnight. You're so cute. You're my little helper. Okay, we're gonna do some prawns, duck pate. Got this stuff on clearance. Yay! Yay! Good healthy stuff. Build big healthy muscles on the good days. All right. Scoot the toy over. I don't know, why do they like putting the toys into the food dishes? I don't get it. All right, now we go. Sit down. We're gonna sit down. All right, sit down. Oh, what's this? Huh? Oh, we're gonna open the can. So awesome. So awesome. Oh, yes. Look, Sir Salmon figured out he can eat in here with the kitties. It doesn't want to come out of the can. There we go. Oh my goodness. Everybody. Oh, I know it's a little ball, but one big happy family. And she has to get, she likes to. Little Missy has to have a back rub before eating. I guess he's insecure, I don't know. And we're not alley cats. We don't have to eat out of the can. We don't have to eat out of the can. We're going to move that out of the way. Don't have to eat out of the can. Look, there's food over there in the bowl. Oh, it's time to change your placemat, huh? All right. Everyone survived the experience. I didn't even hear from you till this morning when your tummy started rumbling. He said, oh yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to eat. I'm trapped in here. I don't know what to do. And the food came to me. Oh, look at that big orange head. That big orange head. He's huge. Let me see. Hi, yes, here's your morning back rub. First thing in the morning, she can't eat. Here's her back rub. She get out the back rub. All right. It was nice not having you attack my feet this morning. It was nice. That's how I get scratches all over my feet and legs. Okay. Are you ready to eat? Let me see. Okay, I'm just shredding the papers, huh? All right. All right. Hey, look at you. You're so handsome. Look at that. You grew up to a big, strong boy. Big, strong kitty. All right. Can you go eat now? Oh, did you have enough back rub? Oh, your boyfriend's hair. That's so cute. All right, she can eat now. Everybody can eat. So happy. One big happy family. Blended